Welcome to my new listing at 27207 Paseo, Lomita in San Juan Capistrano, California. Top 3 things I love about this property. Number 1 is its location. You are overlooking the glorious San Juan Hills golf course. You're actually at hole number 2. This is one of the few properties that is situated where you can see unobstructed views of the Saddleback mountain range. It's absolutely spectacular. Number 2 is the property is highly upgraded. You can see there's a remodeled kitchen, there's updated bathrooms, there's natural stone enhancements throughout the entire property. It is absolutely beautiful. The third thing is the floor plan. You have an open concept floor plan where all the spaces flow seamlessly together. You have vaulted ceilings. I know you're going to love this house. Don't you just love this view? If you have interest in viewing this property, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert, 949-697-2232.